exactly where I was standing outside. If you look at this top plate, I can really just... Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley, out here again on a EFIS stucco water intrusion issue, and of course, as always, our friends the termites have shown up. So I'm going to take you through, show you what kind of damage can be caused. So a couple tips before we get started. Get a bond on your home. Another thing is if you have EFIS stucco or any kind of cladding, never take it down to the ground. If you take it down to the ground, the foam's going to grab that moisture, wick it up, and then you're going to have problems to come. In this case, probably about $150 to $175 worth of damage. So let's go inside. All right, so here we are inside the house, and we have a couple issues that we're going to talk about. Obviously, you don't want the EFIS stucco or any cladding going straight to grade, but another issue is the house is too low. So when the home was built, they didn't build the house up high enough to get away from water. We typically want to see 8 inches, really 16 inches. But if you look down here at this patio, you can see that the patio is the same elevation as the slab. Not an issue right here because we have a nice overhang, but unfortunately for this room here, the master suite as well, it's the same level. So we don't have enough for water to stay out, and there's no drainage system up against the foundation. So we're going to take you in here so you can kind of see what kind of damage these little critters can do, and it's pretty intensive. If you look up here on these top plates, this is an interior wall. This isn't even where they start. And you can see how that is just falling apart. And they've gotten into the trusses here and the dead wood right here. You can see that just crumbled. And where it really gets pretty is right here. And this is exactly where I was standing outside. If you look at this top plate, I can really just get rid of that right there. And you can see this stud has been eaten through all of the way. That was a stud at one point in time. So it's pretty bad. Unfortunately, the house is just too low. So a drainage system, a weeping tile system of some kind needs to be installed. And then it comes all the way around, and we continuously come into even this interior wall again. So I've already looked around and I've probed, and we have some really nice expensive meters that we use. And actually all of the exterior walls in this home are damaged by termites, and we're looking at about $150,000 to $175,000 to repair this house, because guess what, we've got trusses, we have framing, all the stucco has to come off, we have to put in new cladding, which will probably be a fiber cement stucco, or a fiber cement lap siding, excuse me, and unfortunately that just takes time, which takes money. So don't forget guys, get you a termite bond, and find us on the web at addisonriley.com, Facebook at Addison Riley LLC, and you can call us at 850-776-5009.